Well, students, welcome to Edu Challenge course. With this course, we would like to help you develop your skill in the field of export and import matters. Students, here the place to learn about export import with videos, with the material of PowerPoint and PDF file. It makes easy to understand the material process. It is supported scheme instead of available quiz. Learning export import is not apart from a few things like IS code, Incoterm 2020. Besides here available cost calculation of merchandise or goods. In this course, you will learn about process of export-import, the documentation needed at export-import, and how to make the basic documents, among others like documents of transaction, document of sales contract, LC documents, and also document of shipping. With this course, I would like to help you all so you have a skill of understanding and making document of export-import, especially document of transaction, besides the basic operation of export-import. Well, students, I will share and teach you the operation of export-import, the documentation of export-import, study case, and we have quiz, we have bonus lecture in which not a part with the matter of Incoterm 2020. So, what are you waiting for? Sign up at Udemy. This course is your place to take an action to develop your knowledge, developing your skill of export-import with the matters of discrepancy. I'm ready to accompany you using social media, using inside website of Udemy, also using YouTube and my other communication. Thank you. Thank you for joining our course.